Welcome back to another wonderful spiritual recipe. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the spiritual benefits of Prekese. Okay, the spiritual benefit of Prekese. A lot of us have Prekese in our house. A lot of us have these things in our house. But because we don't know the spiritual benefit of it, we take it for granted. We take it common. Okay, we see it as a common thing. Okay, so that's why I'm making this video, to let you know the spiritual benefit of this Prekese. Okay, I'll be focusing on the spiritual benefits of it. It also has the health benefit, but in this video I'll be focusing on the spiritual benefit, things that you can use it to do spiritually. Okay, so if you're seeing me for the first time, just know that you are blessed to see this video, and I'm welcoming you to my channel. You're highly welcome. All I want from you is to subscribe to this channel if you like this channel. Give the video a thumbs up if you like my teaching, okay? And make sure that you share this video, okay? If you have any question that you want to ask regarding this teaching today, you can use the comment section to ask your question so that I will reply you, okay? Prekese has a lot of spiritual benefits, okay? There are a lot of spiritual things that you can use Prekese to do, okay? So number one thing that you can use Prekese to do is for protection. Let me show you what I'm talking about, okay? This is Prekese, okay? This is what I'm talking about. This is Prekese. A lot of us have this in our house, okay? We also use it for cooking, especially pepper soup, okay? This thing now has spiritual benefits. With this thing now, you can chase away evil spirit in your house, okay? With this thing now, you can blind evil eyes that is monitoring your progress, okay? With this thing now, you can remove curses from your life, okay? Now, how are you going to use this to stop evil spirit in your house, okay? Now, if you notice that there are strange movements in your house, strange spirits operating in your house, maybe in the day or in the night or any time, okay, you notice a strange being, a strange spirit operating in your house. With this thing, you can stop that spirit, okay? What you need to do is to get this thing. If you have it in your house, grind it into powder form. But if you don't have it in your house, go to the market, look for where they are selling it, buy it, okay? Grind this thing into a powdered form, okay? Now when you grind it into powdered form, you are going to use the powder of this thing to sprinkle in every area in your house with prayer, okay? You are going to sprinkle this in every area of your house with prayer, okay? You will be praying and be binding any evil spirit that is operating in your house. With this thing, with the smell of it, any spirit that has been operating in that house, once you sprinkle this Prekese, the powder, in your house, that spirit will no longer come there, okay? That spirit will no longer come there to disturb you, okay? Also with this thing, you can remove evil eyes from your life by using it to bed, okay? By using it to bed, all you need to do is to cut it into 4 pieces, okay? Boil it in a kettle or anything that you can use to boil it. Use the water to bathe yourself morning and night, okay? This will be helping you to overcome any evil eyes, those people that have been, watching you with the bad intention, with the evil intention of harming you, okay? This will be removing their mind. This will be removing those eyes from your life, okay? So this thing now have a lot of spiritual benefits, okay? I'll be sharing more of the spiritual benefit of this Prekese in this channel as time goes on, by the special grace of God, okay? So if you have this thing in your house, don't take it for granted, okay? Don't call it a common thing. If you have this thing in your house and you're having spiritual challenges, maybe spirit operating in your house, use this thing, grind it into powdered form, sprinkle it in every areas of your house with prayer to bind that spirit, okay? Once the smell of this thing is, coming out, that spirit will no longer come there. Okay, that spirit will no longer come there. So that is the spiritual benefit of this thing. It also has the health benefit, which I'll be sharing also in this channel as time goes on. Okay, so make sure that you get this. If you're having any spiritual challenges in your house, if spirits are operating in your house and you don't know what to do, just go to the market and get this thing, use it as I directed you, and you will notice that that problem will be over. Okay, so that is the work of this thing. That is the spiritual benefit of this Prekese. All right, so if you have any question that you want to ask, like I said before, regarding this teaching, you can use the comment section. If you do not understand any part of this video, okay, just use the comment section, ask your question. I will reply you and guide you very well on what I said. Okay, and if you like my teaching, subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up. Okay, and if you have any other thing that you want us to talk about, my number is on the screen. Use my number to get directly to me. Okay, so make sure that you don't take this Prekese for granted. It's very, very important. So that's what I want to share with you guys in this video today. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.